In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side mirror glass on your Toyota Highlander. The procedure for the driver's side is the same as the passenger's. Using 2 strips of painter's tape, I'm going to protect the outside of the mirror where we're going to be prying on. And just in case the mirror does shatter, I'm going to put one piece here, just so it'll collect the glass. Tilt your mirror all the way up by pushing it. Then using a trim tool or a molding tool, go behind and pop the 2 clips. Push it down. Do the same thing on the top. Pull the mirror off and remove the 2 connectors. Give it a little wiggle and pull straight up. Grab your new mirror glass, install the 2 connectors. Make sure they're installed all the way on. Tilt this up just a little bit. And then we're going to push straight on in the middle of the mirror. Should hear some clicks. That was the nice solid click we wanted to hear. Feels like it's firmly on there. Remove your painter's tape. And you're ready to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.